Today I'm going to show you how to add on the AMI wireless wall switch to the new Rollixo controller. First, remove the screw from the bottom and then take off the front cover. Press and hold the on button on the AMI wall switch. The green indicator light will flash to show this is happening. Then press the program button on the Rollixo until the indicator light illuminates. Press the program button on the AMI wall switch until the Rollixo flashes. You can now control your SeceuroGlide garage door with the AMI wall switch. Pressing the up button will open the door, the my button stops the door, and the down button closes.